Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen delicious. First, choose a good quality instant ramen as your foundation. Next, elevate the broth by sautéing fresh aromatics like minced garlic and grated ginger before adding water. Finally, stir in a spoonful of miso paste or a dash of soy sauce to introduce a complex umami flavor that transforms your meal. To achieve perfect noodles, cook them in a separate pot of boiling water according to package directions. Then drain and add to your prepared broth. For a classic topping, make soft-boiled eggs by cooking them for 6.5 minutes, then immediately chilling them in an ice bath. Don't forget to add fresh, vibrant vegetables such as thinly sliced scallions or blanched bok choy for a delightful crunch and color. Adding protein and healthy fats significantly enhances your ramen. Consider topping your bowl with tender, thinly sliced cooked pork belly or shredded chicken. A small drizzle of toasted sesame oil or a spicy chili oil can introduce a wonderful aroma and a subtle kick. For an extra layer of richness, stir in a small pat of unsalted butter just before serving, making the broth incredibly smooth. The final touches make all the difference in presentation and taste. Garnish your delicious ramen with a sheet of toasted nori, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a dash of furicake for added flavor and visual appeal. Serve your masterpiece immediately in a large, warm bowl to maintain its temperature. Remember to taste and adjust the seasoning with a pinch of salt or a dash of white pepper if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.